welcome to the crazy programmer, guys. So guys, today we're gonna be talking about how to create a mathematical chatbot in Python. This is the episode 1. We're gonna be the episode 2. There are gonna be 2 episodes, by the way. In this episode, we're gonna be just playing the writing the plain code with no elaboration, no funkiness, nothing. But in the next video, we're gonna be elaborating our chatbot and making it funky and stylish. Let's get started with the preview. So guys, this is the final project that we would have. So it's basically,
What is your name?
he's asking my name. Let me write my name. I'm writing I do not know. So
Hello, I do not know. Ask me any mathematical question. I know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
Okay, and then I would do something, but I'm not gonna be telling you what. The computer is gonna be telling you what. Yes, he is, and I'm not joking. He is actually gonna do that. So let's see.
Sorry, I was loading. Ask something.
Let's ask him. So guys, what's the difference between this and a normal calculator that we can create in Python? It's simple. In a calculator that we created in Python, there were 3 stages. Stage 1, the input of the first integer. Step 2, the input of the second integer, by the way. And the stage 3, choosing the operator, and at the end we'd get the answer. But over here, the user can write the whole command simply by in just one line. So I write this, it would give me the answer of basically 1 2 3 plus 1 2 3. And if you would do that in a calculator, it would be the entire first integer 1 2 3, second integer 1 2 3. Choose your operator and blah.
123 plus 123 equals 246.
Now if I actually subtract, oh my bad, this was just one problem. Okay, I wrote 123 before even letting the next line load, and then I wrote minus 1 2 3 4. That's why it just crashed away. So I hope you got the preview. I'm not gonna be running it again. Let's get started. So let's first of all download our module. In this episode, we're just going to be using one module, chatbot. So let's write pip install chatbot, and you have to specify the version. So I'm going to be writing is equal 1.0.0. okay, you have to specify the version or it wouldn't just work. Let's press enter. Boom. In yours it would download. In mine showing requirement already satisfied because it's already downloaded. Okay guys, done. Then let's create a new project by going to file, new project, name your project, create it, and then you can create it. In my case it's already done. Then click on the main folder, right click over here, click on new, click on Python file because it's obviously Python, and then you can add the Python file. In my case it's already added. So let's write this from chatbot import chatbot. So basically this is self-explanatory. From chatbot, from the module chatbot, import this submodule chatbot, and then oh my bad, from chatbot typo chatbot dot trainers import. Trainers is basically so that we can train our AI. We can train our chatbot, and now we're going to be importing chatbot corpus trainer. Very peculiar name. Now we're going to be creating a variable bot. You can name the variable anything. Let's click on chatbot, and then we're going to be putting some brackets and then some enters. Okay. Then over here I'm going to be writing a tab and then name is equals to, now let's give our MathBot a name or our mathematical bot a name. Okay, then we're gonna be writing one more thing over here. Yes, we did not put the tabs correctly, did we? Yes, now it's fine. Okay, let's write read only true. This is basically one statement that we're gonna be using. So over here I wrote read only wrong, and over here you have to put a comma so that we can write multiple statements. Again a comma, and then over here we're gonna be writing logic adapters. Okay, and then we're gonna be giving our chatbot some logics, but in our case we're just gonna be giving him one mathematical evaluation logic. So let's put it inside the square brackets and write chatterbot dot logic dot mathematical evaluation. Okay, done. Pretty cool. Now we're gonna be training it. So we're gonna be writing train is equals to chatterbot corpus trainer. Yay. So as you can see over here we have written we are gonna be training our bot variable. Okay, then we're gonna be writing train dot train, and we're gonna be training. What should we train? We're gonna be training him in English. Okay, so let's write chatterbot dot corpus dot English. Okay, so it's basically train chatterbot corpus trainer bot train dot train chatterbot dot corpus English. Now we're gonna be using while loops. So what is while loop? Let me open up the Python console to tell you. And we're gonna be learning about try and except. So while, so we can create a variable that's gonna be equal to 0. Then we can write while variable is less than 10, print it, and variable is equals to itself plus 1. Then it's gonna be printing out 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay guys, now let's talk about more conditional statements. Like we're gonna be talking about break and continue also. So this is a whole course on these while loops. Okay, it's gonna be pretty fun learning these very well. So let's again while, let's reset variable, and then while now let's learn about continue. While variable is less than 10, print, now wait a second, variable is equals to variable plus 1, and then if variable equals 0, because we don't want to write 0, and over here let's write 11 so that it would print 10 also. Let's write continue. So this would basically skip the code for the while for the time when variable is equals to 0. Then it would go again to over here and then do the whole thing. Okay, and then over here let's write print variable. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we can just get this out, 10 out, and then it would work. So basically what is it doing? So variable is equal to 0, so it's basically less than 11. So while it's less than 11, it would print 0. It's basically why is 0 not coming? It's basically variable is equal to variable plus 1. We are doing it we are doing this in the first time in our first line in the while loop. Okay, then we're writing if variable is equal to 0, then continue, so that it would skip this push this while loop when the variable is equal to 0. Okay, then when it's not 0, when it's something like other than 0, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, then it would just skip this if and do whatever it's over here, which basically is variable is equal to variable plus 1 and print variable. Okay, so I hope you understood it. Let's talk about break. So basically break is basically self-explanatory. You would think that break is like it would end this statement. So supposing variable equal to 0, and then while variable is less than, I wrote greater than, less than 11, then variable is equals to variable plus 1, and if variable equal 10, then break, so that we don't want to write 11. So this is basically used when inside the while loop one thing is successfully extracted and we don't need more than it. Let's write break and print variable. So it's basically printing variable until the variable is equals to 10 when it's gonna be breaking. And if we do this same, okay, let's get this out. Who cares? Let's write it all over again. So variable equal to 0 while variable is less than 11, variable is equals to variable plus 1 if variable equal 11, then break print variable. So this would basically not print 11, it would just break the statement before printing 11 so that it doesn't print 11. And when we'll press enter, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Boom. Isn't it cool, guys? So let's talk about try and accept. So basically we write variable equal to 0. Now we're gonna be trying to print variable plus v, and if it's not possible, if we can't do that, then we're gonna be giving the computer an exception that print cannot understand, and when we'll press enter, it's gonna be giving us cannot understand. One, because we can't add numbers with strings. Second, that v is not defined. Now if we write the same, try print variable plus 1, and we give it an exception that except print b. So it would actually not print b, it would print 1, because it's correct, it does make sense. So let's get started with this. Hope you understood. So while everything is true, this we can use when we have to repeat something repeatedly without a statement. While everything is true, when the code is not terminated, then basically we're going to be adding a try statement that user is equals to an input, that's going to be u, okay, and then response equal to bot dot get response to the user's input, okay. Then we want to actually simply print out, let's write f over here. So basically what's f, let me tell you what's f. Basically I think that we can do it in the Python console. Let's see. So supposing we create a variable, so now if we write a print this, and then when we'll in square brackets write variable, then we can basically print variable. But if we write it without this f inside square brackets variable, then it would just print a variable instead of 0. Basically if we write f over here, then we can write variable inside square brackets, okay. So let's write f and over here, so that we can't add plus. We always write plus like this, but this is a way where we don't want to write that. We can't we can have an option of not writing that, because that's basically very very irritating. So now we're gonna be printing MathBot, or you can write the name of your bot, MathBot. Now we want to write the response. Response. Okay, so this is working just fine according to me. Let's give it an exception now. So except only give this exception when there is a keyboard interrupt or keyboard error or EOF error or there is a system exit. Okay, then only give this exception or don't give this exception. Just break the statement. We just learned this conditional statement. Let's run it. It's gonna be loading. So now as I told you, we're not gonna be elaborating it. Mathematical. Oh, spelling error on the evaluation, guys, my bad. Evaluation. Yep, let's rerun it. Now it should load. Spelling error, there is no problem inside our code, so don't worry. Okay, so it's training our bot. And now u. So if I write 12 plus 16, MathBot, 12 plus 16 is equal to 28. So basically, guys, this was the main thing of this video tutorial. We are not elaborating this, but in the next video tutorial that I'm gonna be bringing out tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or I don't know, whenever I'll get time, we're gonna be elaborating it with the PyTTSX3 AI, and we're gonna be making it more fun for our user, like with what's your name and blah blah blah. Okay, so guys, wait until I just post the episode 2. Don't go anywhere, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, sayonara. See you in the next video tutorial, the episode 2 of this mathematical chatbot, guys. So I hope this is exciting you, and I hope you are eagerly waiting for the episode 2. Don't worry, it's gonna be soon posted on the Crazy Programmer. So see you. Bye bye.